Hey guys, it's your girl Carrie, and today I'm going to share part 3 of my Dubai vacation, the sweet life. But first, if you have not seen parts 1 and 2, where I share what I ate and what we did, I will leave links to those videos at the end of this video and also in the description box below. But first, let me give you a little bit of the background of the Palazzo Versace Hotel. Now, this is the world's first fashion-inspired hotel. The first location of a Palazzo Versace hotel was opened in 2000 in Australia. The second location was opened in Dubai in 2016, and there is now a third location under construction. This place is filled with spectacular architecture, it's oozing with opulence, and it has bespoke Versace furnishings throughout. The Italian craftsmanship is superb, as seen in the marble work that's laid by expert craftsmen that were flown in from Italy. And the average age of these craftsmen were 65 years old, and they've had over 30 to 40 years of experience. The tile work is a masterpiece in and of itself. Now, the Versace logo is comprised of the infamous Medusa head, and it's surrounded by the Greek key detail and the Versace name underneath. Keep this in mind, as you will see hints of the logo in totality and deconstructed throughout the space. The hotel is also decorated with artwork from Versace's famous fashions and prints, and you will also see some of the home decor accessories from the Versace home decor line, like these beautiful vases in the foyer, or the magnificent chandelier that resembles the Medusa snake-like hair. And we cannot forget about his extensive dinnerware collection.
Hey, everything was good.
Upon arrival, we were greeted by the most wonderful staff. They expeditiously and discreetly removed our luggage from the car and directed us to the reception area for check-in. While we were checking in, they placed the most beautiful check-in tagged luggage on our bags and proceeded to deliver our luggage to our room. While we were checking in, they offered complimentary packing and unpacking service so that everything would be ready when we arrived to our suite, although I opted to unpack my own bags. They also offered a 2-garment per guest pressing service. As we checked in, we were told about all the wonderful amenities and perks that came complimentary with our suite. The perks included 24-hour personal butler service, complimentary breakfast, complimentary afternoon tea served in the executive lounge, complimentary happy hour from 6 to 8 p.m. each evening, pressing of up to 2 garments per guest upon arrival, a complimentary shoe shine service, complimentary packing and unpacking, and a welcome fruit bowl. There was also a 20% discount on all purchases at any of the hotel's restaurant or the Versace stores. They had the following stores in the hotel. They had the Versace Fine Jewelry Store, the Young Versace, and that's where you could purchase Versace's kids' clothing. And then it also had the Versace Home, where they sold all of the beautiful dinnerware collections, some of the home accessories, robes, and the drinkware.
I like my chicks a little bit ghetto.
As you step off the elevator to head to your room, you will notice that all of the carpeting is purple in the hallway, with the exception of the 9th floor. It's gold and black, and that's where the 2 Imperial suites are located. I will share those suites with you in a separate video. Now, we did have a butler take us to our room, but I had to reenact this part As you enter our room, you will enter into the beautiful foyer, and it has beautiful parquet wood floors. And to the right of the door, when you first enter, you have your little control panel that has your do not disturb button, your personal butler button, and then your housekeeping button. As you head down the foyer, to the left is the wardrobe room, equipped with everything that you would need for a comfortable stay. Across from the walk-in closet is a bathroom fit for a queen. Look how beautiful the marble is. There's even a linen closet where the toiletries are housed. Every item in this bathroom is branded with the Versace logo. The glasses, the towels, the soaps, even the shower door. The bathroom comes complete with a bidet. So as we leave the bathroom, we're going to head down the foyer into the main living space. First, I'm going to take a panoramic view of the suite, and then I'll go in and share those special little details that they added to the suite to just make it oh so special. Yes, girl, yes. So let's take a look at our bar area. Here is an overview of our bar area. Up top is just some additional cabinet space if you wanted to add your own items. And here are all your essentials for your morning coffee or tea. You have all of your teas and napkins, just gorgeous. And then look at this, guys. Look at this. You know that I was going absolutely nuts when I saw these. The head in the bottom, it's kind of etched in there. It's raised. See, it is raised. Beautiful seating area thing, down to the tissue boxes. A leather tissue box, a bronze leather tissue box. And here in Dubai, they love their jewel dates. So they always welcome guests with dates. So we've been eating dates our entire stay here. Then over here we have our dining area. And again, this is all Versace furniture. You can see the Medusa head on the chairs, the Greek key symbol, the Medusa head on the tables, and your clawfoot. Now over here we have our balcony and another remote control panel. This is where we can control our curtains. Let's see if you can see it. So you can open the curtains, close the curtains, turn the balcony light on or the balcony light off. Then we're just gonna open them back up. And here is the sleeping quarters. Look at that beautiful bed. I love this bedding. And then over here, we just have a little seating area before you enter into the office. And you can control everything from your bed. Your do not disturb button. You can open and close the curtains, your wall lights, your night lights, and you can set a relaxing scene. And I'll let you see that. And now I'm walking around the corner to our office area. Over here you have your desk, and they have the beautiful stationery, beautiful pen. And inside the desk, they give you some stationery so that you can write home to your family and friends. And then they have an entire charging station in the back. Just now getting back to our room, and our turn-down service has been done. Put our slippers out by the bed. They've put out our evening treats. So for those of you who may not be familiar with what turn-down service is, it's when the hotel staff comes to your room in the evening and remove the top duvet and any extra decorative pillows from the bed and turn back the covers so that you can just hop in the bed when you return to your room in the evening. They often leave you some sort of a sweet treat. Some leave a chocolate on your pillow. Other places get a little more elaborate. We had different confections each night. And they also will replenish any toiletries that you might have used up. And they will also put your slippers by your bedside along with some water in a glass on your nightstand. And they will put some robes in your bathroom in between the shower and the tub so that just in case you want to freshen up before bed. And if you call ahead of time to let them know what time you'll be home, you can actually have your personal butler come up to your room and draw you a hot bath. So when you come in, you can just hop into the tub. Now that's what I... Now guys, I'm going to just let you browse with me in the Versace home store, and please leave a comment below and let me know what you've liked most about this series so far. Did you like part 1, 2, or 3 the most, or are you liking it all? And also let me know what you like most about this hotel. Was it the suite? Was it all of the amenities? And also I'll be uploading another video to show the Imperial Suite. Now guys, that was an awesome place, and I think you guys will enjoy that too. So until next time, I'm going to keep calm and carry on. Bye guys.